By now, I believe you must have noticed that nobody is coming to save you. 2024, perhaps you were thinking somebody's going to come from the east to come and save you. Somebody's going to come from the west to come and put money in your pocket. But by now, things are beginning to get clearer. You are seeing the fact that, look, if you do not stand up and do something, nobody is actually, coming to save you. We are living a time where people just want to make money somehow. People just want to add extra 30 euros, extra $50, extra $100 into their pocket. Doesn't matter if you have a full-time job, if you have a part-time job, the money has just proven not to be enough. So if you are not currently looking for ways you can actually make money right now, you are actually doing it wrong. 2025 is not a time where you would just sit down and chill out on your couch and say, look, I have a job. I do not have to do anything else. Look, people have been shocked, even shocked beyond their wildest dreams to realize that, look, the jobs that they thought they had was taken off of them, and they suddenly realized that they didn't have anything to prepare themselves for this worst condition, which is a situation where you do not have a job, you do not even have a place to get another kind of job, and this could be very, very worrisome. You might be wondering now, why are you talking about job in a sewing channel? I am telling you this because if you have the skill of sewing, you can actually put extra money in your pocket. Sometimes when people hear about sewing, they will be thinking, are you telling me not to start to sew complicated stuff like wedding dresses or some other complicated stuff like that? I do not have time already for my life, and I would definitely not have time to make a wedding dress. No, this is not what I am asking you to sew. If you have the skill of sewing, or let's even say you do not have the skill of sewing, this is something you can easily pick up. Learning to sew just a pillow cover like this can actually see you making a lot of money. Yes, you might be wondering, how is that going to be possible? Yes, it's possible if you know exactly what to do. But why am I using pillow covers as an example? I'm actually using this because this is a very easy thing to learn to sew. And as soon as you can figure out how to sew this, which shouldn't take you, if you are a serious and determined person, it shouldn't take you 1 or 2 days to get it sorted out. As soon as you can do that, you can actually go ahead to start making money, because we are living in an age where there are so many platforms that are there to actually do the heavy liftings for you. A long time ago, it was not just possible. A long time ago, talking about the days of our fathers, the days of our forefathers, it was not just possible because if you were a tailor, you're pretty much going to be in your room. Nobody's going to know about you. Nobody's going to know what you are doing. Nobody's going to even know the service that you are actually, offering to people. But now, things have suddenly changed. We are living the days of the platforms. And what do I mean by the days of the platforms? The days of the platform means there are so many platforms out there right now where you can actually go ahead and get yourself registered with. You could decide to open a TikTok shop. You could decide to be on TikTok. You could decide to be on Instagram. You could decide to be on Facebook. It doesn't matter the platform, even on eBay. You can actually get your product as easy as ABC to the market, and somebody's going to see you. You're going to see what you are doing, and the person is going to patronize you. How do you do that? It's pretty much simple. Now that you know how to sew, all you have to do is just to have a camera, make videos of yourself sewing, post them on your Instagram page, and tell people that, look, guys, I know how to sew very decent pillow covers. I've got so many different colors. I've got different sizes. And there's just going to be somebody out there that's waiting to reach out to you and say, look, if you've got the color yellow, I think I will be interested. If you've got the color blue, if you got a red color in the size 40 by 40 centimeters, I think I will be interested. And the person is going to patronize you right there and then. And you are going to be smiling to the bank. Even if you're not making thousands of dollars in the beginning, definitely you're going to be proud of yourself that, look, with your bare hands, you were able to do something that piqued the interest of somebody else to the point that the person had to reach out to you to actually render a service. And this is the long and short of how you can actually make a lot of money doing this. Yes, there are a lot of tactics to do this, but the game is, if you know how to sew, or if you are determined to learn how to sew, you can actually start to make money right now in 2025. Thanks to the platform, like I said, the platforms are actually there. In fact, it's amazing what the platforms can actually do right now. You just make a little video of you sewing this stuff. The platform is going to take that video and show it to the world. Gone are the days where you had to pay a lot of money just to be heard. The platforms are saying, no, you don't need to do that. Go ahead and make your very nice videos. We are here to even pay you to make those videos, and we are here to show your product to the world. All you have to do is to come out, show up, do what you're supposed to do, and a lot of people are going to see what you can do, and you'll be amazed at the amount of patronage that you will receive pretty much just doing that. If you are looking for an easier way to make money, yes, you are definitely going to be scammed, because there are a lot of videos out there right now talking about you making 1,000 euro a day, you making 2,000 euro a day, you making 5,000 euro a day. But I'm here to tell you that a lot of the methods that are being preached right now, they do not work. One thing I have found to work is you taking up your sewing machine, actually putting in the work, a few hours every day, a few hours every other day. You can actually be smiling to the bank. This is a pillow cover that was made. Took me less than 5 minutes to get it sorted out. This is the color marine blue in the size 40 centimeter by 40 centimeters. I am going to be shipping it off to the buyer. Somebody found it very interesting and said to me, you know what? I want you to give me 2 decent pillow covers and get it shipped out to me, which took me little or no effort to get this whole thing sorted out. And I'm going to be shipping these pillow covers, and I am going to be making the profit that comes from it. Not only the fact that I'm going to be making profit, I'm also very proud that, look, with my hands, I can actually create something that will be of great value to somebody out there on the other side. And this is exactly what you should be seeing doing in 2025. Nobody is coming to save you, like I said. If you do not rise up and do something, you're going to keep complaining, things are not working, I do not have money, my bank account is overdrawn, I do not have money to pay my car note. All this should stop. This is the time for you to rise up, do something with your hands. And I have found sewing to be a very potent tool, a very good vehicle for you to actually begin to make money in 2025. I hope this video helps you. It motivates you to take action. I've got a lot of videos on this channel to see you started. Make sure you click on them and watch them to the very end. Also, if you are not subscribed, do me a favor, go and subscribe to the channel. Until I see you again in the next one, peace.